Hey, I'm gonna make this video to hopefully help people not go through the hassle I went through trying to get this piece of plastic off of my seat here. It was difficult, and all the videos I saw on YouTube just gave me portions, and some were not complete. They didn't show me where the clips were. So that's what I'm hoping to show anyone else going through a replacement of their BMW seat control module. This is for the passenger seat, obviously, as you can see. This is a 2005 330i, and this does have the ZHP package. So I don't know if that makes any difference for this. I don't think it will, but just in case. The reason I was replacing it is that two of these pieces are not working anymore. The up control does not work. It goes back, but as you know, I mean, that would be a problem when you can't go up again. Also, this one just started going out as well. Found a used one. I'll provide a link at the bottom of where I found this, but it was a great price, 20 bucks for a used one, and I've checked it, it works. So I'm going to install that now. There are several clips that you'll want to know about to take this off. The first one is the easiest. I mean, you've got a T20 screw that comes off the back. That's easy. But what is confusing and hard to find, especially when you have the seat still on, like you can see, I did not take the seat off. Several tabs in here that you need to be aware of. This, for instance, fits into these two tabs here. You can see the little tab slots. So when you're under the when you're feeling around, you'll feel these two tabs here. Don't get confused and try to release them underneath the seat as I did. When it's under here, I could feel those tabs, and I was pulling on those, but they're just to hold this piece in here. What you really want to pay attention to are four tabs. These two here, these two here, and then a little bonus, these little clips right here that really frustrated me because they kind of grab the front end up here, kind of grab this thing, and if you don't know to lift them off, you're going to be frustrated like I was. So let me show you where these tabs go, if I can get this off. So as it's sitting on here, you might be able to see these two tabs back here. One of which goes into this top one goes into a slot right here, and you have to reach behind somewhere back here, right here, to push it down that slot. This one goes into this slot, and then this one was hard for me. I had to get a screwdriver and push down on it back here, and that was frustrating because at the same time you have that one down below. This one, you can reach under here and see it, and you can get under there and feel that one and pull it down. So again, you've got that slot that goes into there, and you've got another one back right under it down there. So you've got these four. Then you have these guys right here that like to grab on. So I'm going to put this back together with my working one. Let us know.